What I'm appealing to all of you Ugandans, chase Chan from your home. Let's chase poverty out of Uganda and do it by doing something that will bring food on your table but also money in your pocket. And the government has already given you how to start. With the PDM, when they checked, I think it was last year, 67% of the homesteads were in the money economy now. Only 33 were in the working only for the stomach. This PDM money, 1 million, 100 million per parish per year. In 5 years, that is 500 million in one parish. And in the third year, the ones who got first give back to the SACCO. The money will never come back to the government. It will remain in your parish. So that other people use it also. So in the third year, the ones who got first will pay back. You got 1 million. You now pay 1,125,000.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.